Did you know 76% of new YouTube channels created are faceless and 24% are face reviewed, which means on a new 10,000 channel created, 7,600 are faceless and 2,400 are face reviewed. And did you know that 97% of monetized channels that are earning on YouTube are faceless? If you didn't know, there comes the opportunity. In this video, I'm going to give you a topic with a huge potential. It's all about teeny workers. If you are not sure what that means, here is an example of those little characters working behind the scenes everywhere, yet nowhere to be seen. Of course, you guessed it, this is AI generated content. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can create exactly this type of content for free using AI tools. So get comfortable. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it, a friendly beginner step by step, or how you can create this kind of content. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Step 1. We need some visuals for inspiration. Even though we'll be using AI, we still need to guide it. We need to give it something to work from, something it can replicate. To do that, we are heading over free pick. Just type in the keyword teeny worker and hit search. Now you see exactly the kind of images we are looking for, just like the one I showed you earlier. Pick the image that best fits the style of the video you want to create, download it and save it to your computer. Once that's done, we are going to use our trusted assistant ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, just create one. It's completely free. Now once you are in ChatGPT, it's super simple. Just click the plus icon, upload the image you just saved, and then use this prompt. Click send, and in seconds ChatGPT will give you a quick analysis. But honestly, we don't really need the analysis. What we really want right now is to give it a second prompt, one that will help us to build the video content. So by the way, the prompt I'll be using in this video will be the description. Alright, the prompt we are going to use is this: can you give me ideas for similar visuals featuring teeny worker characters? They don't have to stay strictly in tech theme. You can vary it. Then we hit send, and that's when you start to see the true power of AI, because ChatGPT gives us a bunch of creative scene ideas that perfectly match the kind of content we are aiming for. This is exactly what we needed: new original scene ideas featuring small characters. Maybe we were lacking of inspiration, or maybe we didn't want just to copy our competitors. But now, thanks to AI, we've got a fresh stream concept, and it's a game changer. Okay, now we've got our ideas, so it's time to generate our visuals. And how? With another simple prompt. Here it is. Can you create prompt in English to generate these visuals using an image generating AI? We hit send again, and boom, we now have detailed prompts that will help us to bring these ideas to life. The kind of visuals we've been aiming to create from the start. And trust me, this part is fast and super simple. So what do we do with this prompt? It's easy. Pick one, copy it, and use it with an image generating AI. Let me introduce you to the tool we will use in this video. Pick Lumen. Here is how it works. Go to the top right and click launch app, and you land on this interface. Now in the prompt box at the top, paste in the prompt you selected earlier. On the right, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, because that's the standard video format we are going for. Set the number of images you want, let's say 2. Now for the rendering style, choose Pick Lumen Realistic V2, then click generate. Now brace yourself, because this is the kind of result you get, all created using a free AI tool. And here's the trick: we are going to repeat this process a few times. Go back, grab another prompt, paste it in, and generate more unique images. This gives you a whole batch of visual to work with, perfect to create original, high quality videos that are 100% yours. But we are not done yet. Next, we'll animate those images, and for that, I'll show you another amazing tool, Clean AI. I've used Clean AI in one of my videos before. It's the best AI tool out there. So you just click on the top right and get started. You land on a page, on the interface that looks a little bit like this. You upload your images you just generated. So once your images are uploaded, you can add a prompt to describe what's happening in the scene. It's very important if you don't want rubbish. So if you don't want to add anything, you just scroll down and click generate. Now keep in mind you are using the free version. Video generation might take a little time, alright? So a tip: start your render before going to bed. That way your video will be ready when you wake up, okay? And if you ever decide to get a subscription which costs just few dozen dollars, you'll get results in minutes. Let's take a look at the final result. Wow, seriously, look at the quality, it's insane. Back when I started creating content online, if there was this kind of tools before, bro, you will have done crazy things, I'm telling you. And if you've been waiting for the right time to start YouTube, this is it. Yeah, this is it. So once your video clips are ready, go ahead and download them. So now let's put everything together into a full video. To do that, we will simply use, you already know it, my friend, CapCut. It is free, reliable, simple, easy to use, and friendly for beginners. So no excuses, everyone can use it. Download CapCut and open it up. First, import all the short clips we just created, then grab them into the timeline below. Here you can arrange your clips however you want, even tell a little story if you like. Most creators don't bother, but if you do, that's a great way to stand out. Next, add a few sound effects. For example, if your scenes take place in nature, maybe throw in some ambient sounds, birds, wind, leaves, and so on. CapCut has a built-in audio library where you can search and drag sound effect right into your video. You can also add background music for music that's copyright free. I recommend using the YouTube Studio library. It's very important. It's completely free for YouTube creators and gives you peace of mind. Once your video is ready, clips in order, sound added, and it's time to export. Go to File, Export, name your file and choose the quality. 1080p and 30 fps will work perfectly. Then click Export. Now your video is done and everything that is left is to click on that Upload plus and upload it on YouTube and let the world see what you've done. And also watch this video, is very important because I showed you exactly how you can go viral with YouTube shorts, not posting video and start seeing 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 views. No, you need 10,000 views, 100,000 views, 1 million views. So watch this video and I'll see you in the next. Until then, take care. Just take care.